Welcome back, guys. Here we go again. This is our new renovation project in Pattaya. This house is a pool villa with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and a very luxurious style. Let's have a look inside.
Right now I am near the pool, and when we bought this house, it already had a pool which looked like a swamp. And over here was a large room that had the pump and a big water tank. We decided to destroy it all, and we put the pump underground and we moved the water tank also in the back. And now we have a beautiful sofa here, which you can spend lots of time with your friends. And we put a barbecue here, and over in the corner we have a nice shower.
When you enter the house, we have a very nice comfortable sofa in front of the TV wall. This house has a very high ceiling which we highlighted with the recessed light and 2 very nice chandeliers. In the back we have a wall panel where the colors are just matching perfectly to the other built-ins in this house. In between living area and kitchen we have a dining table with a white marble top. In the back here, the kitchen with island has a very nice black natural stone which is just matching perfectly into this kitchen. Because of the high ceiling, we decided to make double hanging cabinets with very detailed LED lights. Here we are in the master bedroom. As the living room, we also have here a full-size sliding door with a wonderful view to the pool. We have the built-in wardrobe with glass elements, we have this TV wall and a king-size bed with lighted background. This room has its own bathroom, same as the other 3 bedrooms you can see right now.
Yes, guys, this project turned out really well. The renovation took us 3 months to finish everything. We started demolishing about 2 weeks and then rebuilding everything about 1.5 months. And eventually designing and building furniture was the rest of the time. Timo made a very nice design for this house. Originally this house was 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and we converted this house to 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. So if you are interested in a design like this, please visit our website, pattayainteriordesigner.com.